Today we are going to draw a beautiful basket full of fresh and colorful vegetables. Get your pencils ready and let's have fun drawing together. First, let's draw some garlic. Garlic contains vitamins and minerals that help keep our bodies healthy. Now let's draw a beautiful basket. Let's start adding the vegetables to the basket. First, let's draw two beautiful tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which help keep our bodies strong. Next, let's add two crunchy carrots. Carrots contain vitamin A, which is important for our eyes. Now let's draw some fresh lettuce leaves. Lettuce provides vitamins and fiber to our diet. Now let's draw a beautiful letter. Now let's complete our basket by drawing its handle. And finally, let's draw a beautiful eggplant next to the basket. Eggplant contains fiber and nutrients that are good for our bodies. Now it's time to color our drawing. Pink. Yellow. Light green. Choose your favorite colors and make your vegetables basket beautiful and colorful. Green. Red. Green. And let's add a colorful bell pepper. Yellow. Orange. They are colorful, fresh, and full of good nutrients. Light green. Purple. Look at all these beautiful vegetables. Brown. Blue. Yellow. Orange. Red. Light green. Purple. Pink.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school.
I love fresh vegetables.
School one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
What's your favorite vegetable?
The children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Wow! Our basket is now full of delicious vegetables.
Turned it out,
Choose your favorite colors and make your vegetables basket beautiful and colorful.
but still it lingered.
Great job, kids!
Waited
You did an amazing job.
patiently about, patiently about.
Let's take a picture. See you the next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with